This is John from Suspension Max. Talk to you today about leveling your truck. Well, the first question I get from customers about their truck is, I don't know how to measure my pickup. How do I know how much of a lift do I need to bring it up level? Well, we're going to talk about that a little bit today and explain how you should do that. And right now we're measuring the ride height, or the curb height, from the ground to the top of the fender. And it's 36.5 inches. So that's the front ride height. There's another measurement I always can do, which is very simple, and it's from the center of the wheel to your top of your fender. It's 21.5. So that's two different ways to measure it. And we've measured the back. In the back of the truck, on a level surface, measures 39 3/4 inches. That's 3 1/4 inches out of level. So today we're going to install our 2.5 inch leveling kit and get this truck back where it needs to be. Back after the installation of that 2.5 inch Suspension Max leveling kit, all the way up to 38 3/4 inches, full 2.5 inches taller. It's a nice truck. It really made a huge difference. So we're just shy of 39 inches in the front. And in the back, sit just at 40 in the back.